Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to Learn with Shikha. Have you ever said Google was found in 1998? If yes, don't worry. Many English learners make this mistake. Today, I will explain the difference between found and founded in a very simple way. By the end of this video, you will never confuse these words again. So let's begin. Before we start, if you love learning English in a simple and practical way, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Now, let's understand these two confusing words. First one, what does found means? The word found is the past tense of the verb find. Find means to discover or locate something. जब भी कोई वस्तु हमें ढूंढनी पड़ती है, ऑब्जेक्ट्स जब आता है तो उसको वो चीज़ें ढूंढने पे अगर मिल गई है तो उन्हें कहेंगे फाउंड. ये फाइंड एंड फाउंड, फाउंड पास्ट हो गया. सो फाइंड मीन्स to discover or locate something. For example, I found my keys. She found a beautiful book. We found the solution. Everything is found is object. In all these examples, found means discover. So, remember, find, found, found. Easy, right? Now, let's begin part 2. What does founded means? Now let's talk about founded. Founded comes from the verb found, which means to establish or create something. Example, the company was founded in 2001. The school was founded by a teacher. Our organization was founded to help children. Here, founded means established or started. So, remember, found means establish, founded, founded. Part 3. What people do common mistake. Many learners says Google was found in 1998. But this is incorrect. The correct sentence is Google was founded in 1998. Founded means established. जब से इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी. Why? Because Google was established, not discovered. Let's try to another one. The university was founded in 1950. Correct? The university was found in 1950. Incorrect. Because this is not an object. So, every time we have to use founded. Part 4. What is the easy trick for memory? Here is a simple trick. If you can replace the word with discovered, use found. Example, I found my phone. I discovered my phone. Makes sense. If you can replace the word with established, use founded. Example, the company was founded in 2010. The company was established in 2010. Perfect. Quick quiz. Now, let's test your understanding. Sentence number 1. I dash my wallet yesterday. What will be answer? Found or founded? Pause for a second and tell me answer. Found. Yes, it is. The answer is found. Sentence number 2. The school was dash in 1985. What will we answer? Founded. Great job. Summary. Let's quick revise. Found means discovered. Example, I found my keys. Founded means established. Example, the company was founded in 2005. Simple and easy. I hope today's lesson helped you understand and the difference between found and founded. If you learned something new today, write one sentence using found and one sentence using founded in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn with Shikha for more easy English lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good evening.